Now we are at the stage of Paramount International Contracting Company where there is a ceremony launched and annual ceremony. Now we will talk the Managing Director Mr. Rabi Anashev. How are you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, all is good.
Sir, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart that you take full time for us.
Thank you. This is my duty with pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Sir, as I know, you are a very compassionate person and you help all the employees and take care with them. How you feel this one? You are feeling that to help to the others.
First of all, this is your opinion. Thank you. Humbly, I don't feel that. I feel like I'm a family member and those are my family. And it's my daily life. I'm not helping, I'm just assisting. Whatever I can do, I can do. And it's the other way around. Like they are helping me as well. So it's a mutual game.
Sir, as my opinion, they are all the people are very lucky men who have had the opportunity to work with your under your supervision.
Again, thank you. Thank you. I will not comment. Thank you. I'm honored. I'm honored, honestly. I'm honored.
And sir, how you are satisfied with the company growth rate?
I always look for more. I'm happy, but this is not the goal. I'm looking for more.
How far do you want to grow your company?
The sky is the limit.
Well, and sir, definitely there is a different country people are living and you also work with them. Can you face any challenges to handle them and to live together that are different from the religion, different country, different cultural?
Not at all. We are all under the umbrella of Paramount, and the language is respect, and the target is the production, to work. That's it, to live and to provide.
As I know that company is growing very fast. Which one is the effortless work to the workforce? How is the procedure to promote a good working person and how to give them incentive or increment?
Based on the performance, based on the attitude, based on his devotion to the company. We're a teamwork actually. Me, the supervisors, the foreman, engineers, site in charge, a lot of opinion. We filter people through those opinion every, let's say, 6 months, and accordingly we can select people who to promote, who to give incentive, who to give an increment, who to give him more responsibilities.
If a person who is from the belonging to the any country
Yes.
and he want to join your company,
Yeah.
how can you do it?
He's welcome as long as we can provide him a visa, and he's welcome to join. He has a probation of 6 months, and either he will stay and he will face the challenge, or we apologize and we'll tell him we cannot continue. So, and we'll send him back home.
There have any direct channel to contact with him and he can join easily?
Direct channel, no, there are multiple channels. Multiple, through agencies, through us going and recruiting, through family or friends from people within the company. They can get their relatives, their friends, whoever wants to work in Paramount, as long as we have the vacancy. So I don't have a selection. I don't have a preferred source. Whoever can bring and whoever is up to the standard, he's welcome.
Sir, what you send, if you can send any message to the newcomer or your present worker, if you want to send any message to them?
Believe in your potential, believe in yourself, work hard. In Paramount, you'll be appreciated and you will reach. You will reach.
And last question, sir. This is the traditional ceremony.
Yes.
What do you say about this?
Nothing. I'm supervising the ceremony since the beginning of time, since the beginning of Paramount, and inshallah, I will never stop this ceremony every year.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.